my little waters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's how you become an official low rider. Let me turn this water off, you guys. Yeah, today I don't have too much planned. I have to go get my grandkids. I might take them to Denny's for breakfast because I don't feel like cooking. But I don't know. Oh, and I have to wrap gifts. And I was going to do some Christmas shopping, but I changed my mind. I don't know. I may. Trash man here today. Okay, with that, so I just came to say good morning to you guys. I want to wash some dishes and throw some clothes on. What hat am I wearing today, you guys? What hat? Anywho, see y'all in a few. Okay, you guys, today you guys see my hat choice. Keep America High. Okay, hey. And then the perfume, I already have this perfume. It's Dolce Gabbana. Light blue. I know what it smells like, so that's the hell. Where'd all that? Okay. Come on, ooh, yep, I'm getting it on there. It smells good. Okay, guys, and this is Vlogmas Day 15. And I got my hair back under the cap and a ponytail. Maybe that'll make it look better, huh? Yeah. I could take it down in here, but I'm not doing all that. I'm not doing it. Gotta get out this door and go where I need to go. Be where I need to be. See what I need to see. I'm turning off all the lights. Do y'all do that? Turn off all the lights when you leave home? I do. You guys, I got stuff to wrap, so that's what all that stuff is over there. Bed made up, man. And ready to go. What do I have to do? What's on my list today? On my list today is, ooh, I wrote that small. Pick up pumpkin. I'll take pictures of these shoes for offer up. Wrap gifts and cook. That's it. Pretty dull day. But if it's gonna be dull, y'all gonna be with me. Oh, this hat fit ill. This is one of the ill like little cheapos. If I can do something like this. Bend this thing. Looking like a whole duck beak. A whole duck beak. It's quiet in here since I opened the door. Watch. You ready? Oh, you guys, my legs are sore. I ain't even did no working out or nothing. Why are my legs sore like that? Okay, I'm out. I'll see y'all later. This is chicken from Crispy Crunchy, or Crunchy Crispy. Not Crispy Crunchy. They homemade biscuits. Ooh, chicken fingers, fries. Yeah. And of course, he's the first one eating. Frozen.
It's not cold in my finger. Not cold in my finger.
You barely stuck your finger in. Well, if it was hot in the summertime, I'd push the both of you guys right on in. I'd push you in. I'd push you in. Yeah, this is my friend's house. She's getting her pool redone. The flooring and all that. And some different lights. So, yeah. She just bought a house and this is the jacuzzi part. Hey, now that's enough for the water. That's enough. Get back, because you know what's going to happen? You guys will be wet and talking about your cold, and then we can't go get the Christmas gift for your parents.
That is like a hot water.
That it's not hot water. Trust me, it's not hot. At least I don't think it is. Oh, freezing cold. Really cold, yep.
Stick your hand inside it. What? Stick your hand inside it.
Okay. Come on. Oh my God, what is that? What? He goes, she ran. Princess said, I'm not going to get got. And you taking your time. Okay, you guys, we're going to go back in. It's kind of cold out. She has a little basket. Huh? She didn't want to talk about, ooh, look at the Christmas tree. That is not a Christmas tree, Princess, but it's a nice tree, though. So is that one. I don't know what that is, Pumpkin. I really don't. They're looking for stuff for their parents. So, yeah, they have to dig in the bins. We're at the liquidation, Nellis auction liquid. Look in the boxes. It might be something juicy in the boxes. From the Five Below, and I forgot the vlog, but come on, let's go. We're leaving now. They got a couple of things for their dads. I'm not gonna show it because they watch my channel. Yeah. Okay, you can walk up. You can walk by Miss Regina since she's trying to. Fuego. I want to go in TJ Maxx, but she want to go to Dollar Tree right now. They got TJ Maxx. They got Ross. They got Five Below. There's something else up there. But it's something else up there. I don't know what. Let me look. Five Below. Oh, Dee Dee's. Dee Dee's is up there. Now they done bless me. He is such a gentleman, waiting to hold the door for his granny. Come on. I'm coming. Come on. Yes, they did. Oh, I need another one of these. Cool. Which one did you go to? I'll call you Irene, Regina.
The one by my house. They done cleaned this one.
It's that time of year, huh? You just take everything they can. Come on, you guys. Pumpkin. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it does look bleak.
in my pocket.
Alright, let me see. Take it out.
She do not need a kitty in her pocket.
Is this Judy Bloom?
Judy Bloom, are you there, God? It's me, Margaret.
No way.
Which book is that?
What is this?
Deanie. You got Deanie. Oh my God. I read all of her dang on books. There's Blubber.
Oh, that's the one. That was the one that got me started on her.
If she was old enough, I would get these books for her. Watch where you're going, huh? No, it's the weekend. And a lot of people don't get paid for another 2 weeks, which is after Christmas.
My pocket.
Their candles never smell good here. Never.
Never ever?
Never, ever, ever, ever. These are cute. It totally sounded like you were singing a different song. That's the thick one that I needed, but I got that instead. I think I got bored with the puzzle that I was doing. Whew. Oh, I hope they have these in my size. $7.5 to $8. Okay. They're not gonna have them in my size. Excuse me. Nothing. I saw a size 10, some Adidas in a size 10. Oh my God. Mm. You guys, these are Steve Mattins. They're kind of cute too.
No, ya me vine aquí para la tienda. Yo me tengo el billete porque si ella dejó mi cartera. Vale.
These are some different Steve Maddens. They look a little bit better than the other ones. I don't know which ones I like better. But we shall see. Those are 6 now. Those are cute though. Reeboks 6.5. That ain't my size though.
Lo que pasa también que son, no son W, o sea, wait. Wait. Thank you.
Okay, we got the 7.5 Maddens. Now I'm just trying to see. Okay, what size are these? These are size 7. Do they have a 7 in those? That's Nautica. These are Adidas.
What you got on your
Oh, these are cute. What size are they? Not mine.